The following is a Python program to find the average of 10 numbers using while loop. First, total equals 0. Next, I equals 0. While I less than 10, number equals int of input, string, enter number, colon space, total plus equals number, I plus equals 1. Outside of the loop, average equals total divided by 10. Print f string average is colon space curly braces average. If we run the code and enter 1 through 10, the average is 5.5. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.